Are your ArduPilot application failing because of the Mission Planner ArduPilot module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To start our guide for Mission Planner ArduPilot module, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Mission Planner ArduPilot module, the primary runtime library for the Mission Planner ground control software used with drones. It handles MAVE-link telemetry passing, real-time mapping, and communication with flight controllers. If missing, Mission Planner may fail to load critical modules and display errors such as module load failure. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Errors related to Mission Planner ArduPilot module DLL often mean the internal ArduPilot configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mission Planner ArduPilot module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//R, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Mission Planner ArduPilot module DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Mission Planner ArduPilot module and system libraries. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter a Mission Planner ArduPilot module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.